Okay, so this one, I feel like people accidentally do this sometimes, but if you can be a bit more proactive with it, and that is your feedback loop in everything in life, pretty much. It's all about you. If you want to grow and get better, it's going to be about your feedback loop. Okay, so let's have a look at what a basic feedback loop could look like. And one is that you do something. When you do something, I don't know why I've done it this way. It should be going this way because a clock goes that way. But anyway, you do something, then what you need to do is request the feedback. Yeah. So sometimes you'll get lucky, or you'll get someone that's a little bit pushy and they're going to give you the feedback. But asking for feedback from people that you respect is definitely a good idea. There is many ways that you can do that. Don't be too pushy. Also, don't be too needy, and give it some time for that feedback. Try not to push it into the point that you're getting that feedback straight away, because we do want fast feedback, but you don't want it to feel like they're under pressure. Okay. And when, also, this is not on here, but if anyone gives you feedback, thank them for it. Like straight away, thank them for it. You want to let them know that you want more like that. Okay. And then once you've got that feedback, you need to adjust. So think about that feedback. If it's something that you can do, or you think will work, or that it's constructive, put it into your practice somehow. Put it into your calendar, put it into your training, put it into your CV, put it into your performance. Whatever you need to do, you adjust from that feedback. And then guess what? You go around and you do it again. Do it, feedback, adjust. Do it, feedback, adjust. And the goal is once you get really good at that, and you've got more than one channel of feedback, say you've got like 20 feedback channels, yeah, is that you're going to get more feedback, and you'll also get enough data to start cross-referencing things as well. So if you've got 20 people here giving you feedback, and 15 of them are saying the same thing, then you're like, whoa, I better do something about that, yeah? But the goal is with this feedback is that we want to make it as fast as possible. So the smaller that loop is, yeah, so this is like taking a month to get the feedback, and this is like a day. You do something, you request it, get the information. We want that really fast, because you got to understand, if you can do this fast and fast, is that you're like growing super fast. And that's the trick. Okay. So don't just rely on yourself to learn and grow. Use that information. I know that I'm on the other side of my career, that when people, this is why I do what I do, this is why I'm making this video, is that if people ask for my help, I'm happily want to give it to them. Yeah, I want to be part of that feedback loop. I want to help. And there's a lot of people out there like that. So don't be afraid of asking for some feedback. Okay, see you later.